Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I've got a new toy and I want to show you what it is. I'm getting ready to sit down at my paint desk here and get some work done on my next full-length video here, but I've got to show you guys what I got in. Oh man, I can't wait to try this out. Let's take a look. Okay guys, and this is the F2 Master Precision Rotary tool from Fanttik. This is the first time seeing this. These guys reached out to me and asked me to try this out and possibly do a review. So now I have it here and I'm going to open this up and we're going to check it out. So let's go for it. All right, so here we go. This is an aluminum case here, and see what we got inside here. All right, so we got this. Oh, this is cool. So you have all of your attachments here in these rotary spindles. Oh, and they're magnetic. Oh, that's pretty neat. They just kind of pop back into place here. There's a lot of them on here. So you got buffers, you got sanders, you got polishers, you got engravers. You have a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Whoa! I wasn't expecting that. So apparently you press this little lever here. All right. And out comes the tool itself. This thing is supposed to have a light on it. Oh, there we go. Press down firmly to set speeds. Apparently it has a few speeds on it. It's pretty lightweight. It's aluminum. It's not plastic. The case here is plastic itself. Let's see what, oh, we got like a little case here. Okay. All right, so there is a little grommet here. You got your sanders and stuff in here, your sanding wheels. Let's go ahead and get an attachment. A little grinder here. Let's take a look at this one. It goes in. Oh, turn it on. Oh, check it out. Of course, turn it off. It is a little long, which I'm fine with. It's not top heavy or anything. And let's see how good it is. All right, so the big thing that I'm curious is how much torque this thing actually has in order before it starts freezing up on you when you're trying to sand apart. So we got it on the high setting here. So it looks like this thing has some pretty good torque to it. It's pretty smooth as well. So let's check out a couple of these pieces right here on the rocks that have to be sanded down. Oh yeah. When replacing the attachments, taking them off, all you got to do is just magnetic. It just pops right on there. And I'm going to drill a hole because I found out that drilling takes a lot of torque on these type of machines, and this will kind of tell us whether or not this thing will bog out or not. I'm going to go ahead and try and just drill a hole in the bottom of this. It's not going to be seen anyway, so let's just take a look and see. Wow. It just zips right through it. But I was going pretty fast, so. Yeah, this thing like really cuts through this stuff pretty good. Oh, it zips right through it, man. Look at the mess. Oh my God. It drilled right through this resin. And this is about 2 millimeters thick. So that's a pretty good thickness right there. Now, as far as solid resin, that's a different story. I don't have anything I could drill through, but that's pretty cool. All right, so let's try a couple of other attachments here. I'm going to try maybe, ooh, this looks interesting. I don't know what that is. Oh, so here's one that I wanted to try out. I think this is like a router bit sort of thing, maybe some type of engraver, but I think this would be great for pieces like this. Instead of like clipping them and then taking chips out of your resin here, go ahead and just kind of zip through these lines in pieces like this where these little small supports left over and eliminate those. So I'm going to go ahead and just try it on this old spare part here. Oh yeah, so you can see that made some short work out of those little supports that are left over if you're using like auto supports like I do. But that just zipped right through there. I don't have to worry about any pieces being taken out of the model itself. And I got rid of those little supports like those things, or they're so aggravating. And this I can actually carve into if I want to make like different types of textures or whatever. I think this would really be good if you were adding some type of resin on detailed parts or whatever to connect or fill or gap. You could actually use this to carve out some of that detail back, so you're not just puttying over and just making one solid piece. So something like this would be great. It's not going to bog out on you. It's not going to stop what you're doing, and it's it's pretty precise too. I mean, this thing is very, very tiny, and yeah, it can get down in some really tight places. So this thing comes with a pretty thick user's manual. Pretty much tells you about all the features on here, and of course in about 150 different languages. It also has got this card here that tells you about what each bit is for. You have your diamond, you have your drilling bits, your carving bits, sanding discs. So it's also got what kind of bits are on here too for grinding and polishing. Your aluminum oxide, sesame, rubber, cowhide, and wool. And it actually tells you on the bottom here what each of those bits are used for. For beginners who know absolutely nothing about this, I don't know anything about this tool until now, but I know what some of these bits are for, and they're color coded. So that makes it really easy for me to figure out what those are for. And the neat thing about this is when you're done using it, you just put this back into there, and this just slides to here. And you got your nice metal case. I like it. I mean, I think this is really neat. It's actually heavy with all this weight. It's aluminum and the casing, so you're not going to tear it up very easily. This thing's got a lot of torque. It's going to like help you out and get you through some of those tough resin FDM parts, or if you're just plastic or whatever. But again, it's easy to operate. Like you want to pop this thing out, it just pops right out. Got a nice little LED right there for you. So Fanttik also has a lot of other tools that you can use that's on their website. I didn't get anything else other than this one here to test out, but I do see some of the other ones on there. They have drills, they have all kinds of stuff on there. So definitely go over on the website. There's a link in the description. So I encourage you to go over and check out Fanttik online and see what all products they have to offer. So Fanttik actually has this on Amazon right now for $59.99 on sale. And I'm going to give you a code here in the description that'll give you an extra $8 off of there for a limited time. And then they also have all kinds of other stuff on their website. All right, and they are an official sponsor of the UFC as well. They got a lot of different new arrivals over there. They got anything from air dusters to scrubbers to tire inflators, bike pumps, you name it, these guys have it over there. And this is quality stuff here, guys. This isn't plastic casings, stuff that's going to break on you. This thing comes with a brushless motor, 25,000 RPMs, and it's just very well made. Now, I love the fact that every bit of their products are kind of manufactured in the same way, same type of casings and materials and stuff. And some of the stuff is a little pricey, but you're going to get what you pay for when it comes to quality and precision. So as you can see, they have a lot of stuff on sale right now over on Amazon. go over and check these guys out just in time for Prime Day. So a whole line of stuff here for anything for your home, auto, or whatever, your models, you name it, these guys have thought of it all. All right, guys, so I have to thank Fanttik for reaching out and asking me to try this out for him. I hope I gave you some good information. If you need anything else over there, go over and check these guys out over on Amazon. They have their own page up there with all of their products at discounts, deep discounts over there for you. And again, they make some really good quality stuff. So if you want good quality and you want to make sure that the job is done right, definitely check out Fanttik over there. I got this discount code for you. I'm going to put it up here on the screen as well in the description for you if you want to go over and check out the F2 Master, which is this rotary tool right here. And who knows, maybe I'll be able to try out some of their other stuff one day and let you guys see what else they have to offer. So until then, guys, or until the next video, everybody stay safe out there. Get out and create something. Thank you again, Fanttik, and print, prep, paint, repeat. And until the next video, everybody, we'll see you.